Welcome, and from me say Google Pixel 4, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device and also remove a screen lock if you have it set. So as you'll see, there is a screen lock, so I'm gonna proceed from here as though I don't know it. So you want to hold the power key and select power off, wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you want to then hold the power key and volume down, both keys at the same time. Now you want to hold it for a brief moment, so about 1, 2, 3, and let go. There's also a possibility that if you hold it for just a little bit longer and you let go of the power key, it registers that as a press, so it considers basically whatever it's selected here, which is start by default. So it kind of like enters this mode and then immediately leaves it because of it. So you just want to try it again and let go of the power key a little bit before this mode appears. Okay, so from here you'll use volume keys to navigate, and we want to navigate into the recovery mode, which is right here. You can see, once you see the recovery mode while scrolling with the volume keys, so right here, then press the power key to accept it. And then you'll see the Android with no command, so you want to hold power key and press volume up, like so. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, again, you'll use the volume keys to navigate, and you want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset right here. And once it's selected, as it is right now, press power key, and again, select Factory Data Reset using volume key, and then press power key to confirm it. It begins the process, as you can see on the bottom, formatting data. Then you should see for data wipe complete or something along those lines. Okay, there it is, data wipe complete, and reboot system now should be selected by default, so all you need to do now is press power key. Now the phone will continue to perform this operation in the background, so it will take a little bit longer to turn back on than it normally does, but once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. Okay, as you can see, the process is finished, so you can now go to the setup process of your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.